The most popular Chefman air fryer isn't always the best fit for your kitchen. Just because it sells the most doesn't mean it's right for you. Let's cut through the noise and find out which of these 5 actually makes cooking easier, faster, and tastier.
Product number 1, Rotisserie Turbo Blaze 9-in-1 Air Fryer. Now, I know it's not a Chefman, but with over 20,000 sold last month and 0 reviews, it clearly caught people's attention. Priced at $89.87, it stands out with its PFAS-free ceramic coating and insane 450-degree Fahrenheit max heat. If you want crispy food without harmful chemicals and don't mind a non-Chefman brand, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Turbo Blaze technology runs at 3,600 RPM with 5 fan speeds, meaning your fries come out golden and crunchy every single time. No guesswork. The 6-quart square basket fits a whole chicken or 2 full bags of frozen fries, perfect for families. Plus, it operates under 53 decibels, so you won't wake up the house. It even includes 100+ in-op recipes with nutrition facts, which is great if you're tracking calories. Now, some people complained about the app being glitchy or hard to connect. Here's the thing though, you don't actually need the app to use it. All the presets are on the machine, and honestly, once you get the hang of it, manual mode works just fine. The real downside, no viewing window. You'll have to open the basket to check doneness, which drops the temp and adds time. This is perfect for you if you want high-end features like precise temp control and quiet operation without paying premium prices. Skip this one if you rely heavily on smart apps or hate opening the basket mid-cook. At under $90, it's a steal for what it offers.
Product number 2, Chefman 10L Multifunctional Oven. If the Rotisserie's lack of a viewing window bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Meet the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer with rotisserie and dehydrator, priced at just $79.91 and moving over 7,000 units a month. This 10-liter beast looks like a mini oven, and honestly, it kinda is. Here's why this solves your problem. It's not just an air fryer, it's a full convection oven with 17 presets, including rotisserie chicken and dehydrated snacks. The large window and interior light let you watch your food cook without losing heat, which is huge if you're new to air frying. And with 98% less oil, you're getting guilt-free wings, jerky, or even roasted veggies. The 3 racks mean you can cook multiple layers at once, great for meal prep. But let's be real. The touchscreen can be a bit laggy, especially if your fingers are greasy. Some users also said the rotisserie spit is tricky to clean. Still, the drip tray and rocks are dishwasher safe, so most cleanup is easy. And for under $80, you're getting a lot of versatility. This is perfect for you if you want one appliance to replace your toaster, oven, and dehydrator. Skip this one if you only need basic air frying. This might be overkill, but for the price, it's a solid all-in-one deal.
Product number 3, Chefman 8-quart Turbo Fry 4-in-1. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday use. The Chefman 8-quart Turbo Fry 4-in-1 hits that sweet spot between size and function at $79.99. It's compact, powerful, and packed with smart features you'll actually use. Here's why this matters. The high fry function kicks in at 450 degrees Fahrenheit during the last 2 minutes, giving you that perfect golden crunch on fries or chicken tenders, something most air fryers can't match. The LED shake reminder buzzes halfway through, so you never forget to flip your food. And with 8 quarts, you can fit a whole small chicken or enough wings for 4 people. Plus, the basket is top rack dishwasher safe, which saves you time after dinner. Now, the flaw, the plastic exterior can feel a bit flimsy compared to stainless steel models, and while it has a small window, it's not big enough to see everything clearly. Still, the auto shutoff and CETL safety approval mean it's reliable for daily use. This is perfect for you if you want fast, crispy results without spending over $100. Skip this one if you're cooking for more than 4 regularly. You'll want a bigger basket. But for most households, this is a workhorse at a great price.
Product number 4, Chefman 9-quart Turbo Fry 7-in-1. If the 8 Cutes plastic build worried you, this next model steps it up. The Chefman 9-quart Turbo Fry 7-in-1 runs $79.95 and adds serious power with its DC motor, cooking up to 40% faster than older models. That means less waiting and more eating. Here's why this matters for you. The 7 functions include broil, dehydrate, and a dedicated frozen mode that gently defrosts then crisps. No more soggy mozzarella sticks. The viewing window is larger than the 8 Cute, and the keep warm function holds food at the perfect temp for 30 minutes, ideal if you're cooking in batches or someone's always late to dinner. The 9-quart capacity fits a full roast or 2 large pizzas. But here's the catch. The DC motor is louder than expected. Some users said it sounds like a mini vacuum. Also, the touchscreen doesn't always respond on the first tap. Still, the safety features and dishwasher-safe parts make up for it. This is perfect for you if you want speed, versatility, and a bigger basket without paying over $80. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise or live in a small apartment. But for families who cook a lot, this is a powerhouse.
Product number 5, Chefman 12Q 5-in-1 Oven. If you're feeding a crowd or love meal prepping, this 12-quart Chefman is the king of capacity. At $129.99, it's the priciest on this list. But with rotisserie, dehydrating, and a massive interior, it justifies the cost if you need the space. Here's why this matters. You can cook a whole 5-pound chicken on the rotisserie while dehydrating apples on the top rack, all at once. The 12 presets cover everything from reheating pizza to baking cookies, and the capacitive touchscreen is responsive and easy to read. The high fry boost hits 450 degrees Fahrenheit for that final crisp, and the large window with interior light lets you monitor everything without opening the door. The downside? It takes up serious counter space, over 14 inches deep, and at 12 quarts, it's overkill if you're cooking for 1 or 2. Some users also wished it had more fan speed options. This is perfect for you if you host often or cook large batches. Skip this one if you have a tiny kitchen or only need basic air frying. But for big families or entertainers, this is the ultimate multitasker.
So which one wins? The Cosori Turbo Blaze if you want quiet, chemical-free cooking. The Chefman 10-liter if you need rotisserie and dehydrating. The 8Q Turbo Fry for everyday crispy meals. The 9 Cute if you want speed and more functions. And the 12 Cute if you're cooking for a crowd. Each has its strength. Pick the one that fits your life, not just the sales chart.